So in this case, or in this particular problem, I'm gonna show you how to solve or to find the other root. Okay, if one of the roots of the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0 is definitely negative 3. So we can say that negative 3 would be our first root. Let us say that negative 3 would be our first root. So in this case, I will show you na pwede natin gamitin dito is yung Vieta's formula. Basically, yun lang naman yung sum of roots. And from our previous discussion, sum of roots is definitely when you add the two roots, that is equal to the negative b over a. And we all know how to find out what is b, what is a here. B would be 3. So we have negative 3 over 2, which is our a. Okay, so now the next thing that we need to do, since we all know that the first root would be negative 3, then we can change this one as negative 3. And that is plus root number 2, which is ito yung hinahanap natin. And then that is equivalent to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so final part of our solution, we can we can transfer negative 3 to the other side. Okay, or you can add 3 both sides, so you have 3 over 2 plus 3. Okay, then we can easily simplify this one. When we simplify them, the answer must be 3 over 2. And the second root would be 3 over 2. And that is our final solution here.